Okay, this video we make showing to send the primer coating. Okay, also with edges painting. Okay, first we take off this paper. Okay, now the thickness. Eighteen millimeter for the panel. Okay. So firstly, we set up the thickness to 1810 millimeter. Okay. 1810. Try this one. Oh, try this one actually. Okay. 18.
我那个1.3米的价格，和你这个1米的价格差不多。
Okay, start the. Okay.
For this one.
For the melamine panel sanding, we use a rough sander. This is 180, I think. 180 grades. Yeah, so we only use the first sanding roller is okay. We only start the first one. Okay, for the speed we just use 6 meter per second. For the feeding conveyor, we can use 11 meter per minute. Then we can feed the panel. We can check here. There still have some painting of the edge on the top. So for the thickness, we can just set up to 18. We can change the thickness. 1.800. Okay. Now we try again. Now let's check the edge again. So see, the edge is off. No the painting on the top. Okay. We also can check the face. So the face is rough now for painting. Okay, because here is a glue tape. There is some glue on the top. Okay, so the face I think is okay. Okay.